How to unlink Xbox account from Ubisoft Connect. First of all, open up your Ubisoft Connect. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon. Again at the top right corner, tap on the gear icon and go to account management. Now select account information. Now scroll down a bit. Now under linked accounts, select Xbox and tap on unlink. Now tap on continue. Again tap on unlink. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to search the topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.